colors, so lang. I just finished my meeting with my cousin, si Congressman Bacolio. Teka. Malalaki sila pero so lang yung mga kulay. Yung sa akin kasi contest quality. Ito hindi pang competition. Tsaka overstock sila. Uy, buntis Oops. Buntis yung black na yan. Laki na siya, no? Wow. Wow, lalaki. Overstock sila. Dapat mga half lang yan. Kung half lang siya, lalaki pa siya. Sa ngayon, hindi na siya lalaki unless they remove mga half. Anyway, sige. Uwi na ako. It's already... Time is it. It's almost midnight. Time to go home and rest and sleep. I know I won't sleep pa. Siguro mamaya 3 o'clock pa. Grabe, every day this week was like every single day. Gigising ako ng 8. Kanina I woke up at 8. I slept at 4. Woke up at 8. Yan, tuloy-tuloy na. Tuloy-tuloy. Nag-file pa kami. And then ngayon lang ako uwi. 12 na. Grabe. And then kahapon, ganun din. Kahapon, I started the day 8 rin. The day before, ganun din. Grabe. This is one of the busiest weeks na I don't know what's up with October. Dami nangyari. Grabe. Sige. Good evening. Anyway, sige. I'll go na. Malayo-layo yung kotse. Lakarin ko pa. That light that you see is from my watch. Ang galing ng watch na to. Flashlight. Tonight, bale, kasama namin yung cousin ko na congressman Bacolio. Kasama namin si Jordan Pisaras, who's also running for District 1 congressman. And sayang wala akong selfie, Jordan. Umalis siya ng mas maaga. Sige. Alright, kumusta? Okay. Time to go back. Okay, walang ahas. Turn it off lang. Okay, see you later.